In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do the Gemini Polaroid prompt or Polaroid edit. First things first, you have to download the Google Gemini app on your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store. Just search Google Gemini on your Play Store and download it. I already have it, so I'm just going to open it now. The app will ask if you want to be notified. Just choose your preference if you want to allow it or not. Next, click on the plus sign and click on Gallery. Choose the two photos of you when you're younger and you today. Once the two photos are added, you have to paste or put this specific prompt. I'll put it here and you can copy paste it. I'll also try to put it in the description box below so it can be easily accessed. Once you put it in the box, and then you can click on the arrow sign to send. Just give Gemini a few seconds or a few moments to process the two photos, and after waiting, you can have your Polaroid photo featuring your younger self and you today. It's a very cute prompt. You can also do this using other photos, for example, a celebrity and yourself. And to download it, you just have to click on the arrow on the upper right corner to download it to your gallery or to your device. And that's it, guys. Do take note that you can edit your prompt, you can change the posing or to whatever your specific photo preference is.